Hello everybody, this is Hari from Gossipfunda, and I'll be telling you how to password protect your folder using WinRAR. So for that you just go to Google and download WinRAR, search for WinRAR, and you download it for Windows or your operating system. And after you download it, just go to the folder that you want to compress. So I'll go to the videos, and then just for an example, I'll go to here, Bandicam. Right click. After installing WinRAR, you'll get an option called Add to Archive, and now set password. So I'll be just typing password 1 2 3 4. You can organize a password, but that's not necessary. So 1 2 3. Okay. You can choose zip format for the best. And for compression method, you can just use store because you don't need to compress it. Then click OK. Then here you see you have a folder. Now click on it. And now it will ask for password. You can't even extract it. Even if you extract it, it will ask for a password. See, it will ask for a password. So this is how you set up password with WinRAR. And there are other options also, such as 7-zip or WinZip. There are multiple options, but WinRAR is the best option that I recommend you to use. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this every day. And if you have any comments, you can put your queries down in the comments. We'll reply to you. For more tips and tricks like this, visit gossipfunda.com, and you can also visit us on social media like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Check out the link in the description and you can visit the website. Thank you.
Haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn, no closure, moving closer. No